Lily's magical weekend at Grandma and Grandpa's cozy farmhouse. Hello, wonderful friends, and welcome back to Storytail Kids, your home for the most magical stories ever told. Today we have such a special adventure waiting just for you. We are going to follow a little girl named Lily on her exciting trip to visit her grandparents in the beautiful countryside. If you love our stories, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new tale. Now get cozy, snuggle up with your favorite blanket, and let the adventure begin. This story is all about love, family, and the wonderful memories we make with our grandparents. Are you ready to join Lily on her journey? Let us go. Part 1. The exciting journey begins. Lily woke up early on Saturday morning with butterflies dancing in her tummy. Today was the special day she had been waiting for all week long. The day she would visit her grandparents. She jumped out of bed and ran to her window to see the beautiful sunrise. The sky was painted in soft pink and orange colors like a magical painting just for her. Her mother helped her pack a small purple backpack with her favorite teddy bear and some drawings she made. Lily had spent 3 whole days making a special picture of flowers for her grandmother. The car ride through the countryside was full of wonderful sights that made Lily smile so wide. She saw fluffy sheep in green meadows, tall trees swaying in the gentle breeze, and birds flying high in the clear blue sky. Finally, after driving past a beautiful lake that sparkled like diamonds, Lily could see the little farmhouse in the distance. Her heart beat faster with excitement as she spotted 2 familiar figures waving by the wooden gate. Part 2. Grandma's Kitchen Magic. Lily ran into her grandmother's warm arms and felt the softest hug in the whole world. Grandma smelled like lavender and fresh bread, and her smile was as bright as the sunshine. Inside the cozy farmhouse, wonderful smells floated from the kitchen like invisible ribbons of happiness. Grandma had been preparing something very special for her little visitor. Together, they walked into the kitchen where bowls and spoons waited on the wooden table. Grandma announced that today they would bake chocolate chip cookies together, and Lily clapped her hands with delight. Lily wore a tiny apron covered in little strawberries and stood on a wooden stool to reach the counter. She carefully measured the flour, while Grandma showed her how to crack eggs without getting shells in the bowl. They mixed and stirred and laughed together as the kitchen filled with the sweet smell of baking cookies. Grandma taught Lily that the secret ingredient in every recipe is always love. Part 3. Grandpa's Garden Adventure. After eating warm cookies with cold milk, Grandpa called from the garden with an excited wave. He wore his favorite straw hat and held a small basket in his wrinkled but strong hands. The garden was like a rainbow that had fallen from the sky and planted itself in the earth. There were red tomatoes, orange carrots, purple eggplants, and green cucumbers growing in neat little rows. Grandpa taught Lily how to tell when vegetables were ready to be picked by their color and size. She learned that patience helps everything grow, just like the plants that Grandpa cared for every single day. Lily discovered a family of ladybugs living under a big green leaf and watched them crawl over her fingers. Grandpa explained how these tiny spotted creatures helped keep the garden healthy and happy. Together they filled the basket with fresh vegetables while butterflies danced around them in the warm afternoon sun. Lily felt like a real farmer, helping her grandfather with such important work. Part 4. Farmyard Friends and Fun. Behind the farmhouse was a wonderful place where special animal friends lived and played. Lily could hear them calling out greetings as she and Grandpa walked toward the red barn. First, they visited the chicken coop where fluffy hens clucked softly in their cozy nests. Lily carefully collected 3 brown eggs, holding each one like a precious treasure. Then she met Buttercup, the friendly cow, who had the biggest brown eyes Lily had ever seen. Grandpa showed her how to gently brush Buttercup's soft coat while the cow mooed happily. In the meadow, 2 playful goats named Salt and Pepper ran over to say hello to their visitor. They nibbled gently on Lily's fingers, looking for treats, and made her giggle with their silly beards. The family dog, a golden bundle of fur named Sunny, became Lily's best friend for the whole afternoon. They ran through the fields together, chasing each other until the sky turned orange with sunset. Part 5. Stories by the Fireplace. As evening painted the sky in shades of purple and gold, the family gathered inside the warm farmhouse. Grandma had prepared a delicious dinner using the vegetables that Lily and Grandpa had picked together. After dinner, they all sat by the crackling fireplace while the flames danced and shadows played on the walls. The room felt like the coziest place in the entire world. Grandpa settled into his big armchair and began to tell stories of when he was a young boy on this very farm. Lily listened with wide eyes as she learned about adventures from long ago. Grandma brought out an old photo album with pictures that showed the farmhouse through many years and seasons. Lily saw her mother as a little girl, playing in the same garden where she had picked vegetables today. Wrapped in a soft blanket with her teddy bear, Lily felt her eyes getting heavy with happy sleepiness. She knew that this weekend would become one of her most treasured memories forever. And so, dear friends, Lily's magical weekend at her grandparents' farmhouse came to a gentle end. She learned that the greatest adventures are often found in the simple moments we share with people who love us. Grandparents are like treasure chests filled with wisdom, stories, and endless love waiting to be shared. They teach us about where we come from and help us grow into who we will become. Remember to always cherish your grandparents and the special time you spend with them. Give them big hugs, listen to their stories, and make beautiful memories together. Thank you so much for watching this story with us today here at Storytail Kids. We hope it filled your heart with warmth and joy, and we cannot wait to see you in our next adventure.